Elderly citizen Kubani Novella doesn't know her true age. What she knows, however, is the grueling 2 weeks she spent at hospital after contracting malaria.
Malaria is painful. I had a terrible headache. My ears were ringing all the time. Malaria is a painful illness to have.
22 cases have been reported between September and April at Maswanganyi village. Other recovered malaria patients at the village say the pain was excruciating.
The symptoms were severe. I had a terrible headache, fever and diarrhea. I was always sweating. I tried to use over-the-counter medicine. It did not work. I did not think she had malaria, but I had symptoms, and when I took my children to get tested for malaria, I was tested and the results were positive.
Non-governmental organization Humana is on the ground conducting active case detection. The area grapples with a shortage of water challenges, forcing local women to visit a nearby river for water.
Yes, we have to take a risk because we have to look clean. No ways. We do affect risk of taking malaria and everything, but we have to face the challenge. We have to sacrifice.
In Vhembe district, patients who presented themselves to hospitals with symptoms stood at 820 from September to April. In Mopani, positive cases increased to 423. The health department is focused on spraying to eliminate the malaria-carrying mosquitoes.
What amazes us with this type of outbreak is that you would not necessarily find cases in one village, unlike what would happen in the past. But we would see a case, and when we do tracing, the next case would be 5 to 10 kilometers apart, maybe in the next 3 to 4 villages. Hence, our approach now was that we need to do focal spraying.
Members of the community also rely on this body of water regarded as a breeding ground for the mosquitoes for other activities, including night fishing, further risking exposure to the malaria-carrying mosquitoes. Meanwhile, the Department of Health plans to begin with its indoor residual spraying process in September. Katlego Nyoni, SABC News, Maswanganyi village in Giyani.